Hi there, here's a video on how to put together a tutor board for CC.
I have my supplies ready. I'm going to make 2 4-panel boards, and I have the dry erase foam board, my duct tape, and then a pencil to help with the spacing of each board. All right, I start out by laying all 4 boards out on the table. Then I will tape the top, side, and bottom, and do the same thing with the one on the other end, leaving the insides blank with no tape because I will then tape down the middle, attaching both of them. And for the size in the middle, I like to do a little bit wider than a pencil so that when it closes, it can close all the way, but then not be too loose to where it rubs together and erases what you wrote on the board. Well, that didn't take too long. I have completed the tutor board, and once you write on the inside, you can just fold it up like this. So all of the panels are protected on the inside, and then you can just transport it to Community Day just like this. Hopefully that was helpful to some of you who are new to Classical Conversations and is going to be a tutor. Here are my 2 completed boards, Zebra and Floral. Thank you so much for watching this video.